Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss very shortly how you can import libraries in Python in order to use them when you take measurements, for example, or process data, or whatever you're doing with Python. We all need libraries that are toolboxes called in other, or packages in other software. So it's a very simple way, probably the most simplistic way that I have seen and used so far. Sometimes it has problems when we are using it in Python. I have seen in Python shell or in Python straight from Python when we want to load libraries, but this is a simple way. So please, the first thing that you have to do, please go to open a file explorer, and let's make it a little bit large, this one. So because, and again, I'm teaching for Windows, this is most of us are using, so we want to go where we installed Python. In my case, I installed it in on this PC, and that's exactly where I'm on the local disk. And you can see that I put it in this case I have two iterations, Python 3.7 and Python 3.9, and I put it there on the root folder. You have to find out where did you put it, and I recommended in a previous video that's good to put it on the root folder. Sometimes people used to put it in program files. So in my case, I'm going to use the Python 3.9, and you can see that you have to go here, and I do apologize, let me get let me get the mouse so you can see. So in this file called scripts, if you go there, you can see that there is a function that we will use it called pip. Pip3.9. There are several flavors of pip, but the one that I'm gonna use, it's pip called. So to do that, we have to go here in the search bar and type cmd for in order to find the command prompt if it didn't appear in your case. And as you can see, that I am in the C under the user in my account, so I don't want to go there. I want to go in this folder that I just mentioned to you. So to do that, and I did something else here. What did I do? Let's go back. Come on. I did something that I have to start it again. My apologies. As you can see, I should go here again. Where is it? Here, 3.9 scripts, and here, if I make it large, I will copy this whole path because I need this path. I need to be in this folder to open that, move this command from in that folder. So in this case, I have to say cd, which means change directory, leave a space, and then Control V and put that path there. So then I hit enter, and you can see that I am in that folder. So now I intend to use pip install. So we'll use pip install, and then you can see I leave spaces there, matplotlib. In my case, you will go online and search it. For me, it's already installed, and that's telling me that it's already installed. But if it's not installed in your case, you can do it that way. And I will also use a pip, a library that's called drawnow, that is very useful to plot in real time. Matplotlib, it doesn't plot in real time; it provides plots, but I need to drawnow function. So I since I am in that folder already, I will say pip install, drawnow, and again it's satisfied for me. So this is a the way I present it here. It's a very simple way how you can install any kind of library that is installable, and most of them are with pip. This function that is or module that is available for Python. Thank you for watching, and I hope you will enjoy it.